Hey guys, Snipers here. Over the last 3 weeks I've recorded about 4 or 5 different tutorials, and I just went over them the other day, and I noticed I never recorded the audio. So, pretty much deleted those, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I showed you guys last time without me actually uploading it. Okay, so this tutorial is going to be about schedulars. So that's like timers. So, first things first, I'm going to do all the stuff in the plugin.yml. So I'm going to update the version, add the command, and I'm just going to call it timer. So let's just change all this. And what I'm going to be doing is counting down from 5. No, 5. Okay. So next things next, in the main, we're going to add the command timer. Oh, no, never mind. Well, I guess I never removed that after I figured out I forgot the audio. Okay, so here, we'll just do this. Okay, so now let's add it. There we go. Okay, now to the commands, and we're actually going to make the command. So I'll just put it here. So else if cmd.getName.equals ignore case timer, we are going to go bucket.get schedular dot schedule sync repeating task, and we're going to go plugin and new runnable. Oh, I need that. Okay, and you'll notice I never put the closing bracket for this, and that's because it goes down here. Or, nope, not yet. We're going to go 0L, comma, 20L, and then the closing bracket. Okay, and then we're going to go here and add unimplemented methods. And then I'm just going to remove that. Okay, so we got the basics of a scheduler down. So now I'm just going to pretty much go over what we did. Okay, so what this is or this first number for a repeating task is the delay. So because it's at 0 ticks, and just so you know, 20 ticks is a second. So because it's at 0 ticks, so 0 seconds, it's going to pretty much start this right as soon as I type this command. This one, though, is how long until it's pretty much the repeating. So every 20 ticks, so every 1 second, it's going to repeat whatever in here. So because we want the timer to stop at 5, we're actually going to have to cancel the scheduler too. So looks like I'm opening back up main, and we're going to make a public integer. So public int, and I'll just call it timer. Okay, back to the commands, and okay, just 1 second. Okay, so now that we got that done, we are going to have to make a final integer so it can actually be used in here, and we're going to call this time. So time equals 5. Okay, so I'm hoping you guys know what we did there. I believe I covered it in another tutorial. I know what final means, I just can't think of it at the moment, so if I remember, I'll tell you guys in the next tutorial. Or you can go and Google it yourself. Let's see, if I hover over, will it tell me? Nope, okay. Yeah, I can't remember what final means at the moment, but okay. So we'll start the timer at 5. So first we're going to have to go if time equals, actually let's do if time doesn't. So if time does not equal 0, it will do all this, else it'll go to there. So if time does not equal 0, it's going to go sender.send message time. And then, okay. Looks like we also have to go like this. Command sender, and I'll just go s equals sender. And then we're going to have to make this final. Here. Let's see. Final. Let's try moving this outside of the bracket, see if that works. Okay, and then we just gotta go s.send message time. Okay, oh yeah. Time dot. No. It's been a while since my last tutorial. So string dot value of and value of time. And then time minus or we can just go time equals time minus 1. And doesn't want final? Okay, I guess that doesn't need final, but command sender does. Okay, so what we just did is if the time does not equal 0, it's going to tell the player what time it is, or what the timer is at, then it's going to subtract 1 from the time. And if it does equal 0, it's going to send the message go. Mainly because I can't think of anything else that we could use a countdown for. And we are going to have to cancel this, so bucket.getSchedular.cancel task. Oh, and I never actually assigned this. So timer equals, so let's see, is that actually going to work, or does it want plugin.timer? Well, just for safety, I'm going to go plugin.timer, and we're going to cancel timer. No, plugin.timer. Okay, there we go. So that's about it. Now I'm going to pause the video and continue once I have everything else set up. Okay, so I got Minecraft and the server going, so let's export the plugin. And I will keep it in that folder, but I'll just call it test. Finish. Okay. Now I gotta reload the server. Okay. And right there. So as you can tell, Craft-Realms and Craft-Realms. Starting up a server, so I'll post the IP in the description if anyone feels like going by. This was originally just the test area, where we just played around with all the settings. Okay, going off topic. Back to the plugin. So, what did we do again? Oh yeah, timer. So, /timer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And then see how it doesn't continue the timer? No errors. And there we go. A perfect plugin run. I think this is the first time for my tutorials. Then of course you guys know you can add color. So, chat color.red plus, and then chat color.green plus. Okay, and then if you wanted to add permissions, if sender.has permission. What was I naming all the other permissions? Oh yeah, test.timer. It'll do all the stuff in there. Else sender.send message chat color.red plus invalid. Oh yeah, invalid permissions. Okay, and then I'm just gonna fix up the tabbing. Oh yeah, all this has to be moved back. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for my tutorial. Hoping you guys learned something new. And yeah, okay. So you can use the timer for pretty much anything. Like if you've seen my infected plugin, I have a bunch of timers in there. So yeah, I guess the next tutorial is delayed timers. Okay, see you next time.